Welcome to Eagle Eye Military.
All right, I'm gonna do that, and then.
Touchdown.
Well, I'm just saying we can do it with primary just because of where the launchers are, where the G other shelter, and we're starting to get it. It might happen more so with the P now. So if you wake me up like, Gary, hey, we'll just get you done, Clay. She's just like, nah. There's a pretty gnarly layer now. They might have to punch through the layer and just, yeah, you guys can launch through it. I would say just, hey, get a request through the SWO. Let's see what, I'd say about 2K up. So I don't know though. It's so I don't want to have them like launch it.
People who don't know about Shadows is an aerial reconnaissance unmanned system. Its job is to go out and find where the bad guys are located.
What kind of the mission today?
So the mission today was to progress some soldiers, get them caught up to speed, things like that, provide aerial reconnaissance for the mission, for the people in the box, whatever they're doing. They might need some eyes in the skies. That's our role. Ultimately, we will provide reconnaissance for infantrymen, the mortarmen, to help indirect fire, things like that. Just pretty much anyone who needs to see beyond their line of sight to know what's on the other side. So, honestly, my favorite part of the job is launching. Like, you know, we do a lot of maintenance, we do a lot of upkeep on things like that. It's kind of redundant, you know, but it's not too bad. But my favorite part is launching. Just putting an aircraft in the air in a different country, you know, there's not too many people of my MOS that's going to get to do that, so.
The Shadow is a TUAS system, a tactical UAS, and we do a lot of things such as reconnoitering. So we're tactical, which means we can be in place either on a hard or soft top runway, which means grass fields, anything unimproved or improved. We can set up nearly anywhere in the world. It is a line of sight system, and we have a bunch of capabilities that enable us to work with assets such as the Apaches and other munitions guided systems. We get full video recording of things that we see, and we can play them back in cases and instances that we need to. And we get a lot of metadata that tells us the aircraft's positioning, everything that the Shadow itself is doing or is sensing, we get that back. So the training never stops. Training is consistent. And as long as we have a certain amount of runway, we can fly almost anywhere. Clearly, but I'm just proud to be here as a rugged professional, supporting 2CR and being able to show the TUA